Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your supply chain with Alibaba, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what Alibaba offers in terms of supply chain management. Visit the Alibaba website and create a free account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, explore the platform to familiarize yourself with its layout and features. Search for products or suppliers that match your business needs. Utilize the search filters to narrow down options based on categories, pricing, and supplier credentials. Evaluate supplier ratings and reviews to ensure reliability and quality. Contact potential suppliers directly through the platform to ask questions and clarify terms. Request samples of products to verify quality before making larger orders. Once you have chosen a supplier, negotiate payment terms and delivery options. Use Alibaba's secure payment methods to protect your transactions. After placing an order, monitor the production and shipping process through the platform. Communicate regularly with the supplier to stay updated on your order status. Upon receiving your products, inspect them thoroughly to ensure they meet your expectations. Document any discrepancies and contact the supplier immediately if issues arise. Maintain a good relationship with your supplier for future orders and negotiations. Utilize Alibaba's logistics services to streamline shipping and customs clearance. Regularly assess your supply chain performance and make adjustments as needed. Keep updated with Alibaba's new features and services that can enhance your supply chain management. Engage with Alibaba's resources, such as forums and guides, to expand your knowledge further. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.